Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about Cauchy-Euler differential equations. So I will put about y equals to s to the power of n. Later that we need to do first derivative of y. We have n s to the power of n minus number 1. And second derivative of y, we have n with n minus 1 multiplied by s to the power of n minus number 2. Now I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. So s to the power of number 2 with s to the power of n minus number 2, we simplify like this. So negative number 2 with positive number 2, they cancel. Similar for this one, they cancel. And now we need to do about factorization by s to the power of n. So we need to find the solution of this one. So this one we have n squared minus n. So for n minus n we have 3n. And now we need to find the solution of this one, and we have n equals to negative number 1, n equals to negative number 2, and now we can find the final answer in here. So we have c number 1, s to the power of negative number 1, and we have c number 2, s to the power of negative number 2, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.